Kakashri jong ka KHDC kalarai ban shimjing bishar no lingba ka online kat badang don ka lockdown unong bishar uba es khars emli abai kran kinong thok khobor ha kasngi balang ulong bakani kan long ka jing sedang khnang banam pendu iki kam bishar ya ki pai ba.
After consultation with the honorable judges of the High Court of Meghalaya and also under their guidance, we have decided that at least this council court also should open the door for justice to the people who need justice in a time like this. So we have decided that in the beginning it will be just a small, humble beginning, that is to file online for urgent matters. They can file online from anywhere on the email address of the district council court. This is the email address of the district council court. That means districtcouncilcourt@gmail.com. So after they have filed, then we have to examine whether that matter is really urgent or not. After the court has found that the matter is really very urgent, then we will entertain that, we will inform them, and we can hear the matter, because at present we don't have these facilities for video conferencing. So we have to do it by way of video call. This is the beginning, but the details, guidelines for this, we will be released after 2 or 3 days. At least by Friday, we'll do it. We'll give the detailed guidelines how to do with this.